Yes, that's my grill. Just outside my garage. Yes, it's raining. And yes, we're still gonna try to get this cook on. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ken Rogers and we're mostly outdoors. And man, I tell you what, I got two 4.5, 5 pound whole chickens I'm going to grill. I'm going to smoke them outside. And well, yeah, it's raining some, and I've had to make some alterations. I've moved my grill over in front of the garage, and we're going to try to keep it dry as possible. We're going to try to get through this, but hey, let's get this bird prepped and get her out there and get her smoked. Okay guys, I got two birds here. It's funny, they're about the same weight, but this one seems a little bit fatter than the other one. This one, they already cut the tips off for me, and for some reason, same brand of turkey, they didn't cut the tips off here. I'm gonna cut them off. You don't have to, but I generally do. Go ahead and get them out of the way. I'm gonna spatchcock these, which means I'm just simply gonna turn it over and cut that backbone out so we can lay them flat and get some good even cooking. Find that spinal column. Just gonna cut it out on both of them. Push that down. We'll hear that little pop. That will lay good and flat. I'm gonna cut off some of this fat over here on this other one. Okay guys, as a seasoning, I'm gonna leave the skin on here just to keep the chicken moist while it's smoking. As a seasoning, I don't know if you can see this. This is the Trade Ease, this Canadian chicken seasoning. It's very simple to McCormick's chicken season, not McCormick's, but the Montreal chicken. It's very similar to that. I'm gonna season both sides of this chicken with this seasoning. Alright guys, let's get this grill fired up and get this thing out here and smoke it. Alright guys, I think we're gonna be okay here. I'm at the edge of my garage. It is a steady rain out through here. What the setup I'm going with, I got a single basket here I set up. It's full of Kingsford charcoal. And I got maybe, I don't know, 8, 10 coals over here in my small chimney. And I'm just gonna light it, set it over here, and see what we got. I might have to turn on my fan back here to keep some smoke out of here, but I think we're gonna be okay. I ain't gonna have no high flame anywhere, so hold your breath, guys. All right, let's get this thing going here. Try to help with a little cleanup. Get some temperature built up here. I'm running with the bottom vents almost all the way closed, about 1/4 of the way open there, and just to get some temperature built up, I'm gonna leave this open. I'll probably close it up once we get the temperature. All right, get these birds on here. Been debating on the wood. I decided, I've been cooking a lot of chicken with hickory here lately. I'm gonna go with some apple today. I just don't think pulled chicken, I don't think you can go wrong with apple wood. Get this on and I'll check back in a little while. I'm shooting for a temperature around, 220 to 250. I'm not worried about getting the skin toughened up because it's all gonna be pulled anyway. Smoking in the rain. Gotta be a song there somewhere. Okay guys, I just want to take a look here. We're about 1 hour into this. And I know it's dark, but it's dark outside. Now, this ain't nowhere near done, but I just want to take a look. Oh yeah, we're about 107. We got a ways to go. We're only about an hour in, so I knew it wasn't gonna be done. But got a little ways to go, but it's starting to get some really good color on here. This smoke's doing well. I'm gonna shake some of the ash off of this. We can keep a good hot fire going. Got plenty of charcoal left. We'll check back in a little while. Running good temps right around 250. I'm loving it. Hey guys, I'm throwing a little B-roll footage here on you. I'm sitting out here while, yeah, the rain is very light, but just maybe a county or two over as I cook this. Tornado warnings. I'm hoping, looking at the radar, I'm hoping it stays a little bit north of us as it comes west. So, yeah, could be interesting. Wow, just a little update. We're about, looks like almost 2.5 hours into this. And cooking, we're getting close though, but the heavy rain is back. Got some wind picking up now, but it looks like, I don't know if you can see this, looks like that red stuff, that nasty red stuff there, it's moving a little north of us. So other than some heavy rain, I think the nasty tornado stuff, I think it's going away from us. So thumbs up on that. Let's get back to this cook. Ooh, finally. I totally misjudged this cook. I was anticipating about 3 hours. We're at, yeah, we're finally hitting right at 165, 170. It's right at 4 hours. My family is not very happy with me right now. Guys, let me get this off, get it inside. I'm gonna go ahead, because it took longer and it's getting late, I'm gonna go ahead and feed my family, then I will make a sandwich and do a taste test with you. Awesome guys, we'll see you here in a few. There it is guys, I hope you can see it. I don't know how good the lighting is on here. I'm gonna start peeling this skin back and see if we can't get this pulled and make us up some sandwiches. I'll see you just in a few minutes. I'm trying to rush this guys, I apologize for not showing you more, but it got late on me. Alright guys, I just pulled part of this because everyone's hungry. These are just some sub buns, small sub buns I picked up the other day for another cook and I didn't want to waste. So, check out this pulled chicken. I only pulled part of it. I have to pull the rest here in a little bit. Everyone was getting hungry. With some of that, and I got some Sweet Baby Ray's golden mustard. Love it. I actually do use stuff other than Sweet Baby Ray's, I promise. You just don't get to see that. And because it's here, I want a couple bread and butter pickles. Awesome. Let's get a bite of this before I get a bite of that sandwich. I don't know if you can see that. Check it out. That is, I pulled part of it. I gotta pull the rest later. It got late on me. Family's over here eating. Got them a sandwich. I'm hot and it's still pouring down raining, but check this out. That's part of the breast, I do believe. It's the applewood smoke's awesome. Tender, oh my God, that is awesome. Let me get a bite of this sandwich. Awesome, as always. The applewood, I've been cooking a lot with hickory, with chicken a lot, and I'm so glad I went back to the applewood for this cook, for the low and slow. Turned out perfect. Believe it or not, if you have never used bread and butter pickles on a barbecue sandwich, do it. It sets it off perfect. Guys, thanks so much. I totally misread the cook time on this one. And it took, I anticipated about 3 hours, and it actually took me about 4. I do believe the weather had something to do with that. All you guys out there that barbecue a lot, and if you've had some weather fronts come through, you know that your pressure does change. I actually watched my temperature gauge drop on this cook about 10 degrees when the main front come through. It's fine, it's all good. The cook turned out good, just took me longer than anticipated. Folks, thanks so much. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and please share it if you have a chance. So, God love you folks. We will see you on the next cook.